Good morning everybody. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. Today we are going to learn about degrees of comparison. Okay? Degrees of comparison. Actually, before going to the transformation of the sentences from positive to comparative or superlative, we need to learn the adjectives. Comparison of adjectives. The adjectives change in form to show comparison, just as tall, taller, tallest. Actually, what is an adjective? It shows the quality and quantity of a noun and pronoun. Okay? It shows, adjectives are nothing but they shows the quality and quantity of a noun or pronoun. Okay? And now here you see there are 3 degrees of comparison. All of you know that they are positive, comparative and superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. And most of the positive degrees, most of the positives, most of the adjectives, most of the positive adjectives take ER or EST. Okay, they have their own rule. For example, you see here, let us see the comparison with ER and EST. Okay, the words which have one syllable, okay, the adjective which have one syllable, sometimes two, they take ER to comparative and EST to the superlative degree. Okay, this is positive degree and this is comparative and this is superlative. For example, you see here bold, bolder, bold, bolder, boldest. Bold, ER is added in comparative and EST is added in superlative degree. Okay, bold, bolder, boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Fast, faster, fastest. Great, greater, greatest. Small, smaller, smallest. Young, younger, youngest. These are all are common, but come next, when we go to the next one, able, large, pure, rare. And here when the word is end with E, A-B-L-E, when the word is end with E, we have to add R in comparative and ST in superlative. When the word is ended in E, okay, when the word is end with E in positive degree, we should add R in comparative and ST in superlative. Just as able, abler, ablest, large, larger, largest, pure, purer, purest, rare, rarer, rarest. Okay, when the word is end with E at the end, when the word is end with E, and we have to add R in comparative and ST in superlative. Okay, and now next, when we come to the next one, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. And here you see the word which ends in Y, the word which ends in Y and which has a consonant letter before, which consonant letter is presiding here. So Y is presided with consonant letter. See, consonant Y ending, consonant Y ending, consonant and Y ending. So the word which ends with Y, which is presided by consonant letter, that you remove the Y, you remove Y and add IER, dirtier in comparative degree and IEST in superlative degree. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Okay, when the word end with Y and which is presided by consonant, okay, which is presided by consonant before Y, and that word is added with IER instead of Y, you remove that Y and you add IER in comparative degree and add IEST in superlative degree. Okay, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Okay, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. holy. See here also y. The word is ended with y, but before that what we have? Consonant. So that's why holier, holiest. IER, IEST. Add IER in comparative degree and IEST in superlative degree. Okay. Holy, holier, holiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Okay. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Okay. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Okay. As it is ended with y and also preceded by consonant, that's why IER is added for comparative and IEST is added for superlative. Understand? Okay. Now next is dim, dimmer, dimmest. Now why here double MER? Because as these words have one syllable, dim, fat. Okay. One syllable means one vowel sound, and as it has one syllable and as it is ended with consonant but preceded with vowel sound. Okay, but preceded with vowel sound, vowel letter. So that's why this consonant is doubled in comparative and ER is added. Comparative. In superlative it is doubled and EST is added. Okay, when the word is ended with consonant, okay, with one syllable and which is preceded by vowel letter, this last letter is doubled and ER is added, and here also the last consonant is doubled and EST is added in superlative. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Okay, dim, dimmer and dimmest. Fat, this is consonant, and this is vowel letter. Okay, okay. Fat, fatter, fattest. This is also consonant and vowel, consonant and vowel, consonant and vowel. Okay, this is consonant and consonant. Okay. Y, the word is ended with y and preceded by consonant, and here the word is ended with consonant but preceded with vowel. Okay, that's why doubled and ER is added in positive, doubled and EST is added in superlative. Okay, and fat, double TER, last letter is doubled and ER, and here last letter doubled and EST in superlative. Okay, fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Okay, ER, EST, ER, EST. Okay, sad, sadder, saddest. Before that this is doubled. Okay, doubled. Okay, now fit, fitter, fittest. Okay, understand? I hope you understood, all of you. Now next is there are some irregular comparisons. There are irregular comparison means positive, comparative and superlative. All the three are different. For example, good. This is positive degree, this is comparative degree, and this is superlative degree. So good, better, best. Whether it may be good or whether it may be well also. We can use well also. Good, better, best, or well, better, best. We can use both good and well. Okay. And in the same way bad. Bad, worse, worst. Whether it may be bad or ill. We can use ill and evil also. Bad, ill or evil. All are same. Bad, worse, worst, or ill, worse, worst, or evil, worse, worst. Okay. And now next is much. Much, more, most. Much means quantity. Okay. We use much for quantity. Much, more, most. Little, less, or lesser, or least. Okay. A little, less, or lesser, or least. Next is old. Older, oldest. And this old is used. Old, older, oldest. This is used for people and things. This is used for people and also things. Old, older, oldest. Old, older, oldest is used for people and things. That is the oldest building. in the town we say, but we won't say that that is the eldest building, we won't say, isn't it? And this eldest is used only for people, okay? This old, elder, eldest, this is used only for people. And old, older, oldest, this is used for people as well as things, okay? And next is many, more, most. Many, more, most. Many is used as number, okay? Much is used for quantity, much is used for quantity, and many is used for number. Many, more, most. Understand? Much is used for quantity, much, more, most. Much water, much oil, like that way, uncountable, okay? Many is countable, okay? Many, more, most. Understand? And there are some more adjectives, comparison of adjectives, positive, comparative and superlative, which takes more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree, okay? Why we use more here and why we use most? Because there are two or more syllable. The word, the adjective which has two or more syllable takes more beautiful in comparative and most in superlative, okay? This is positive degree, this is comparative degree, and this is superlative degree. And why here more and most? Because the word, the adjective which has two or more syllable, beautiful, 3 syllable, okay? Sometimes 2 syllable also, okay? So the word which has 2 or more syllable, 2 or 3 or more syllable, it takes more in comparative and most in superlative. Just as beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous, isn't it? Courageous. How many? 3. Courageous, 3. Foolish, 2. Foolish, more foolish, most foolish, okay? Foolish, more foolish, most foolish. Splendid, more splendid, most splendid, okay? I hope you understood, all of you. For these you need to practice more and more. There are more adjectives and you need to practice more and more to transform the sentences from positive to comparative or superlative, okay? And in the next unit I will explain about the sentences to transform from positive to comparative or superlative. For that we need to learn the rules, and in the next class I will explain about the rules of comparison, degrees of comparison, okay? I hope you understood the comparison of adjectives, and you please practice these words more and more, learn more and more, keep going, go on practicing. And thank you for watching my video. Share, like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next class.